First, first night in the new apartment. She's doing dishes. We just had dinner. This is her room with the Hello Kitty. So pink. So much stuff. Master closet. The bathroom's pretty cute. See? Nice and neat. There's Hello Kitty in Paris. It says bonjour. I don't know. I think it's pretty cute. Finally living in Louisville. How does it feel, Kaylee?
It's the life.
The life? Doing the dishes?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I hate the most.
Well, I think it's great.